Before buying a Murphy bed, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these beds look fantastic, but real buyers are often disappointed by hidden issues. Let's dive into the top 5 options that could either save your space or leave you wishing you'd chosen differently.
Product number 1. Feisaibaoli Japanese Futon. The Feisaibaoli 6th generation Japanese floor futon mattress, priced at $56.99. It's a budget-friendly option that caught my eye with its modern design and comfort claims. If you want a portable, versatile bed solution that can transform any space, this is worth a serious look. This futon stands out because of its unique 9-layer structure, featuring 5 layers of high-density foam. What this means for you is that it maintains its shape without sagging, so you won't wake up on a lumpy mess. It's designed to help alleviate back pain, making it great for guests or even for yourself if you're in a pinch. Plus, with over 800 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are finding it useful. Now, some reviews mention that it takes a while to fully expand after unpacking, which could be a hassle if you're in a hurry. Here's the thing though, most foams require some time to breathe, and once it's fully expanded, it offers a really comfortable sleeping experience. If you can wait a few days, this might just be a great fit for you. This is perfect for you if you need a temporary sleeping solution or if you want something for your kids' play area. Skip this one if you're looking for something more traditional and less portable, but honestly, for the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the expansion time bothered you, the next option takes a different approach.
Product number 2. Vecchia King Bed Wedge Pillow. The Vecchia King Bed Wedge Pillow, priced at $26.59. This might not be a traditional Murphy bed, but it's a clever add-on that can make your sleeping experience more comfortable. If you're often frustrated by pillows slipping off your bed, this product is worth checking out. The Vecchia pillow is designed specifically to fill gaps between your headboard and mattress, which means no more lost pillows or items falling into that annoying space. It's adjustable for 0 to 6 inches, allowing you to customize your comfort. Plus, the side pockets are perfect for storing your phone or glasses, keeping everything you need within reach. However, some reviews mentioned that it might be too high for certain bed heights, which could be an issue if you have a low-profile bed. Look, if you're someone who prefers a snug fit without the risk of items falling, this feature might be a game-changer for you. This is perfect for you if you are someone who likes to keep their sleeping area organized. Skip this if you don't have a gap in your bed setup, but it's a small price to pay for added convenience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3. GemBed Tri-Folding Mattress. We have the GemBed Tri-Folding Mattress, available for $259.99. It's a bit pricier, but the comfort it brings is something to consider. If you want a portable bed that accommodates guests and outdoor adventures, this could be your go-to. This mattress is made from high-density memory foam, which means it conforms to your body and alleviates pressure points. This is crucial if you're trying to avoid those morning aches. It's also 6 inches thick, offering just the right amount of support while still being light enough to carry around. Plus, with a removable and washable cover, maintenance is a breeze. Some users pointed out that it can take up to a week to fully expand after unpacking. But here's the thing, once it expands, you'll be getting a mattress that feels snug and supportive, perfect for a camping trip or unexpected guests. This is a great choice if you frequently host overnight guests or need a flexible sleeping option for your RV. Skip it if you're looking for something more permanent, but for its price, it genuinely provides great comfort. Now, if you're still hoping for something even cooler, check out the next option.
Product number 4. Cooling Foldable Mattress, Queen. Here's the Cooling Foldable Mattress, priced at $206.54. This is not just any mattress. It's designed to keep you cool while you sleep. If you're someone who tends to get hot at night, this could be a lifesaver. This mattress features cooling gel memory foam that regulates your body temperature, which is super important for a good night's sleep. It contours to your body, relieving pressure points, while ensuring you don't wake up feeling overheated. Its foldable design makes it easy to store away when not in use, perfect for Murphy beds and tight spaces. However, some users said it can feel a bit heavier than expected, which might be an issue for some,
But honestly, if you're looking for a mattress that prioritizes comfort and cooling, it may be worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're a hot sleeper or love having a bit more luxury in your temporary sleeping situation. Skip it if you prefer a firmer mattress or something super lightweight, but its cooling technology definitely justifies the price. Finally, we've got one more option that could be the perfect fit for your needs.
Product number 5, Cooling Foldable Mattress, Full. Last but not least is another cooling foldable mattress, this time in full size for $183.59. Just like its queen counterpart, this mattress focuses on keeping you cool, but it's designed for those who may not need a larger size. If you want comfort and coolness without taking up too much space, this is one to consider. This mattress has the same fantastic cooling technology, featuring a soft, breathable cover and a dual-layer construction that offers pressure relief and support. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for guests, in an RV, or even as a yoga mat. The compact foldable design makes it easy to store, fitting perfectly into tight spaces. Some users have mentioned that it might take a little time to fully expand after unpacking, similar to the other mattresses. But once it's ready, you can expect a cozy sleep experience that keeps you cool through the night. This is a good pick if you need a multifunctional mattress that doesn't take up too much room. Skip it if you're set on a specific size or need something ultra firm, but it's a solid investment for comfort. So there you have it. We've covered a range of options that cater to different needs and preferences.
In summary, the Faiza Bali futon is fantastic for budget-conscious users, while the Vecchia wedge pillow adds a layer of convenience. The Gembed tri-folding mattress is perfect for versatility, and both cooling foldable mattresses offer that cool comfort we all crave. Each option has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to what you value most in a Murphy bed setup. Thanks for watching and happy sleeping.